In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to block a lost or stolen Android phone using a Windows 10 PC. In order for you to do this, just get hold of a Windows PC, like a laptop or a desktop or whatever it is, and do a Google search for Find My Device. Click on the first option. Find My Device is an application by Google that is going to help you to do a lot of things once you have misplaced your phone, or if you want to just track your phone's current location. Okay, so after you are on this page, just sign in with the same email address which was on the device that is lost or stolen, and select the device. Once you do that, you get directed to this page on which, if your phone is traceable online or if it is still online, you're going to see it on maps out here. But if it is not, you could simply go ahead and block it. Okay, so what is going to happen is that once you set this up, once your phone comes online, it is going to get blocked immediately. So you just select the second option, secure device. You're going to get a pop-up like this. Your phone is going to be locked with a PIN or a pattern or a password. You'll be signed out of your Google account on the lost or stolen device. You could still locate it after it is secured, of course, and all your payment information with Google is going to be removed. So you click on secure device and there you go, it is done for you. Your phone is going to be locked and nobody else can actually use your account on that phone. Now, you should select this option only if you think that your phone is going to be traced. But if you think that your phone is not going to be traced, I suggest you go ahead and select the third option to factory reset your device. You get a pop-up like this which tells you that your device is going to be permanently erased. And once this is done, you are not going to be able to trace your device. Obviously, if you think that your device is not going to be traceable, you are selecting this option, right? So if you click on next, the moment your device comes on, it is going to be erased completely. And at least if you're not getting your device back, nobody else can misuse your information. That is actually very important. I hope this helps and I hope you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up. Take care, my friend.